Now we demonstrate how to determine the hydraulic conductivity using the falling head test. The specimen is inside this big container. The specimen was de-aired previously by using a vacuum pump. The valve which connects to the water tank can remain closed because the amount of water needed is very little. The specimen can be connected to one of the two manometers here. The one on the right has larger diameter and the one on the left has smaller diameter. The choice of the manometer is based on the soil type. As the first step, we have to fill up the water inside the manometer. Hence, we have to open the valve such that the water will flow to the manometer. There is water dropping from above, which means that the manometer is full of water. Now we can close the valve again. Next, we have to decide H0 and H2, which are the initial and final water heights inside the manometer. Then calculate H1, which is equal to the geometric mean of the H0 and H2. For example, if H0 and H2 are chosen to be 90 and 50 respectively, then H1 is equal to 67.1. We affix some tapes to mark the locations of these three numbers along the manometer. In a moment, we will open the valve. The water level inside the manometer will start to drop. Start the timer when the water level is at H0. Press the timer again when the water level is at H1, and again when it reaches H2. Determine T1 and T2, which are the times for the water level to drop from H0 to H1 and from H1 to H2 respectively. Once everything has been set up, we can open the valves that connect the specimen to the manometer. Now the water level starts to drop. My finger indicates the current water level. The water level is at H0 now. Start the timer. It should be noted that the water level drops at slower rate as time elapses, but the whole test should only take 1 to 2 minutes. Now the water level is at H1. Press the timer again. The water level finally reaches H2. Press the timer again for the last time. Compare T1 and T2. If the difference between them is within 2 to 3%, then we can regard the test as a successful test. Repeat the above until we obtain 3 successful test results. When the test is over, close the valves that are connected to the specimen.